Hello and a very warm welcome to everyone watching. My name is Hafiz Usman Ahmed. I am a PhD scholar in botany and an educator with over 7 years of professional teaching experience at both national and international levels. It is truly an honor to have this opportunity to introduce myself to such a distinguished institution, and I look forward to sharing a little about who I am, what I bring to the classroom, and why I am deeply passionate about the science of life. I hold a solid grounding in both the theoretical and applied dimensions of general biology and botany, which has allowed me to teach a wide range of topics from the fundamentals of cell biology to the complexities of plant physiology, ecology, and genetics with clarity and academic depth. My academic training has always been driven by one core principle that rigorous science must be communicated with equal rigor and precision. Over the course of more than 7 years in the classroom, I have had the privilege of teaching students across a wide spectrum from undergraduate cohorts taking their first step in biology to postgraduate scholars engaged in advanced research. What sets my experience apart is the diversity of my student body. I have taught at national institutions and I have also engaged with international students, each bringing a different academic culture, a different set of questions, and a different way of understanding the world. This exposure has made me a more thoughtful, adaptive, and culturally aware educator. I have learned to adjust my language, my examples, and my pacing to suit the needs of the individual learner, not just the syllabus. I am firmly of the view that a great teacher does not simply deliver content. A great teacher builds understanding one student at a time. In my classes, I focus on step-by-step logical breakdown of complex topics, ensuring that no student is left behind and that every concept is not only taught but truly understood. Beyond the classroom, I am an active researcher. One achievement I hold with particular pride is having presented my research at the RASP International Conference, a platform that brought together scholars and scientists from across the globe. This experience was profoundly formative. It demanded that I take complex scientific findings and communicate them with precision, clarity, and confidence to an audience of international peers. It sharpened my ability to articulate ideas across language and cultural boundaries, a skill that translates directly into effective international teaching. Research and teaching, I believe, are not separate pursuits. They are deeply connected. A teacher who is actively engaged in research brings current knowledge, intellectual curiosity, and a problem-solving mindset to every lecture they deliver. In terms of subject expertise, I am well equipped to teach across the full breadth of general biology and botany, including cell biology, plant anatomy and morphology, plant physiology, ecology, evolutionary biology, genetics, and the history of biological thought. Whether working with students who are encountering these disciplines for the very first time or with those who are deepening their existing knowledge, I am able to calibrate my instruction accordingly, always grounded in academic accuracy and always focused on building genuine comprehension rather than surface level familiarity. I am also comfortable integrating modern pedagogical tools, digital resources, visual aids, and interactive discussion methods to enhance the learning experience for international students. I come to this opportunity with a strong academic record, a demonstrated capacity for international engagement, and a genuine commitment to excellence in education. I am confident that I can contribute meaningfully to your institution not only as a subject matter expert but as a dedicated professional and globally aware educator. I sincerely thank you for your time and consideration. I very much look forward to the possibility of joining your team and serving your students with the highest standard of academic instruction. Thank you.